The COVID-19 outbreak has disrupted everyday activities around the world and been declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization. Football too has been affected, with football activities suspended in almost every country or territory in the world. Since the beginning, FIFA has been at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19, and, as world football's governing body, FIFA has a responsibility to provide guidance to ensure that any response is harmonized in the common interest. On the 18th of March 2020, the FIFA Bureau of the FIFA Council established a working group in response to COVID-19. The following guidelines represent the basic outcome of various discussions and were adopted unanimously. As a general rule, employment agreements shall be governed by the national law and the contractual autonomy of the parties. Having said this, and consistent with Article 18.2 of the FIFA Transfer Regulations, it is proposed, among other measures, that where an agreement is due to expire at the original end date of a season, such expiry be extended until the new end date of the season. Where an agreement is due to commence at the original start date of a new season, such commencement be delayed until the new start date of a new season. Equally, it is clear that the COVID-19 outbreak might lead to agreements that cannot be performed worldwide as the parties originally anticipated. Here, it is proposed, among other measures, as follows. Clubs and employees be strongly encouraged to work together to find appropriate collective agreements on a club or league basis. Unilateral decisions to vary agreements will only be recognized where they are made in accordance with national law or are permissible within CBA structures. Where such agreements cannot be possible, for the reasons set out in the FIFA official document, unilateral decisions to vary contracts will only be recognized where they are otherwise deemed reasonable by FIFA's DRC or PSC. Finally, in view of the current situation, it is agreed that the registration periods previously announced can be adapted to the new sporting calendars which will be established by the respective MAs and leagues. For more detailed information, visit our dedicated website.